Good morning, student. Today we are going to start chapter 13, limits and derivative. First we are talking about limits. If we are having a function fx and want to find out the limit at x equals to a, if the limit is existing or not, and to check it, what we have to do? We have to find out two limits there. The first known as left hand limit, and it is calculated as x tends to 0 f x minus h or 0 minus h type. Like if we want to find out this one x minus h type, or if you want to write the value of x equals to a, then we can also write like this: limit h tends to 0 f a minus h. This is the point at where we want to check. So write directly this thing: limit h tends to 0 f a minus h. It is known as left hand limit, and if we want to find out right hand limit, just write the value h tends to 0 f a plus h, where h is a very small number which is very nearer to a. Suppose if we are having a equals to 3, then 2.9999 such type of means a minus h, or a plus h, in the sense we are saying that 3.00000001 type as like this type. So there is a very small number h, we are saying that's why we are writing here h tends to 0. If these two limits value are same, LHL and RHL are same, then we are saying that the existence of that function's limit is possible. Means उस पॉइंट के ऊपर फंक्शन की लिमिट एग्जिस्ट करती है, ये अपन इस तरह से आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. अब लिमिट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कुछ फॉर्मूले भी हैं. वी आर हैविंग सम मेथड्स, फॉर्मूले लाइक द एक्सपेंशन फॉर्मूला और trigonometrical ratios formulae. And which type of formulas they are we have here? Like binomial theorem expansion. Suppose 1 plus x raised to n we are having, then we can write 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 upon factorial 2x square and so on so forth like this. It is known as binomial theorem expansion. So we have to know about this thing expansion also. And if we are having e raised to x, in that case we are saying that 1 plus x square upon factorial 2 plus x cube upon factorial 3 and so on so forth. Write like this, you can write here factorial 1 times. And if we are having e raised to minus x, then alternative plus minus 1 minus x upon factorial 1, x square upon factorial 2 plus minus x cube upon factorial 3 and so on so on. It is for e raised to minus x. If we are having log 1 plus x type, then start with x and write x minus x square upon 2. तो अपन यहाँ x minus x square upon 2 plus x cube upon 3 minus x 4 upon 4 and so on so forth. Write like this. And if we are having log 1 minus x type, then we are saying that it is minus x square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3 minus x 4 upon 4 and so on so forth. So this is the expansion of log 1 minus x, log 1 plus x, e raised to minus x, e raised to x and 1 plus x raised to n. इनके एक्सपेंशन अपने को लर्न होने चाहिए. यहाँ विदाउट फैक्टोरियल होते हैं, e के अंदर फैक्टोरियल होते हैं. रिमेंबर दिस वन. Same if we are having here a raised to x, and we know the expansion of a raised to x also. According to e raised to x, we are using the same pattern, 1 plus x log a upon factorial 1 plus x square log a square upon factorial 2 plus x cube upon factorial 3 log a whole cube and so on so forth up to infinite. इस तरह से this is a raised to x. If we are having sin x, trigonometrical ratios है, तो sin x के expansion x minus x cube upon factorial 3 plus x raised to 5 upon factorial 5 and so on so forth. Alternative plus minus. If we are having cos x, then we are saying that 1 minus x square upon factorial 4 plus x 4 upon factorial 4 to here and minus x 6 upon factorial 6 and so on so forth up to infinite time. तो ये अपने साइन कॉस के फॉर्मूले थे. अब आप चाहते हैं कि कुछ और लिमिट्स वैल्यूज आपको दी जाएं, तो कुछ एज ए फॉर्मूला यूज होते हैं, राइट. लिमिट x tends to 0 if we are having e raised to x minus 1 upon x, it is always equals to 1, and limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x, if we are having this, it is also always equals to 1, and limit x tends to 0 tan x upon x, this one is also equals to 1. तो ये कुछ फॉर्मूले हैं जो हमें लर्न होने चाहिए. ये लिमिट्स वैल्यू डायरेक्ट हम इन्हें साबित भी कर सकते हैं कि ये कैसे इक्वल होते हैं. यहाँ e रेस्ट टू x का एक्सपेंशन रख दीजिए, पता चल जाएगा 1 से 1 कटेगा, बाकी में x को मना कर नीचे कट जाएगा, फिर 0 रख दो x की वैल्यू. सेम हियर फॉर sin and tan. अब यदि अपने पास नेक्स्ट थिंग जो चलती है एक्सरसाइज 13.1. In this exercise, first 5 questions based on direct formula. That means if we are putting the direct value of limit, you will get the answer. Such as we are having here limit 4x plus 3, the question number 4. Limit x tends to 4 here and 4x plus 3 upon x minus 3. We are having these two. Now substitute the value of x 4 at these two places, you will get the answer. 4 into 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3. 16 plus 3 upon 1, that is 19 is the answer. This is the way to find out the limit value of the given function. तो ऐसे 1 to 5 वाले इन क्वेश्चंस में अपने को बेसिकली करना क्या है, x की जो लिमिट दे रखी है सीधे वो फंक्शन में पुट कर देनी है, you will get the answer. But sometimes it is not possible, such as if we are talking about question number 7 here, then the second method applied, factor method. Question number 7 we are having here 3x square minus x minus 10. Limit x tends to 2 here. 3x square minus x minus 10 upon x square minus 4. We are having this one. First we are doing the factor of this one. 10 3 is 30 and 6 5 is 30. So the factors are, first we are taking this, then we are taking plus 5, inside the bracket we are having x minus 2. The factors are in denominator these two values. Now cancel with x minus 2, and now we are going to substitute x equals to 2 at this place. तो 3 2 जा 6, 6 plus 5, 11/4 is the answer of this. So it is known as factor method. तो इस तरह से अपन पहले वाला जो डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पुट करने वाला था और ये अपना फैक्टर मेथड है, तो इस तरह से अपन इनको सॉल्व करते हैं। अब नेक्स्ट जो पैटर्न अपन लेने जा रहे हैं वो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का हुआ, 11 का हुआ, ये डायरेक्ट है, और एक 13 का हुआ। तो पहले मैं 13 को डिस्कस कर लेता हूं कि वो पैटर्न क्या है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, we are having here limit x tends to a sin ax upon bx we are here. So I want to use this formula here, limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x dash. I want to use this formula here, and here the limit is also 0 given, and for that जो एंगल यहाँ होना चाहिए साइन के वही नीचे दिखना चाहिए, इसकी वैल्यू 1 होती है और ये तभी यूज किया जा सकता है। मेक दिस गिवन फंक्शन इन दैट फॉर्म आल्सो, एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, I am going to multiply and divide by a and interchanging the position of a and b. And now this constant value outside the limit, and limit x tends to 0 sin ax upon ax. It seems like that जो एंगल यहाँ है वही नीचे है, तो इसकी वैल्यू हो जाती है 1, a upon b into 1, you will get the answer a by b. तो ये एडजस्टमेंट करने का तरीका है। तो आपने कुछ आज तरीके सीखे, जो मैं लाइव क्लास में पढ़ाता वो चीज़ें समझाता वो मैंने आपको वीडियो में बना के अब भेज रहा हूँ। उम्मीद है जब भी आपका नेट ऑन होगा और आप इसे देखेंगे तो सीख पाएंगे। थैंक यू।